Assalamualaikum and have a very good day everyone. My name is Nur Ashikin binti Azizan. So today I would like to share with you about the tourism best practice in Russia based on case study of Sheremetev Castle. Russia, often known as the Russian Federation, is a country that stretches from Eastern Europe to Northern Asia. It is the world's biggest country. The most populous country in Europe with a population of 146.2 million people. They speak Russian, which is the most widely spoken Slavic language. Sheremetev Castle is near the settlement of Urino, Republic of Mariel, on the banks of the Volga. The castle is known as the Volga region's pearl. The Oriental Study and the Picture Gallery are among the over 100 rooms in the lovely castle, which was made from red and black brick and inlaid with stone. The castle was designed by Russian and German architects and include Gothic, Eastern and ancient Russian and romantic attractive architectural styles. The castle was built over 4 generations, with the most of the work being done by Urino craftsmen. Sheremetev Castle will be open to visitors who pay with a Punchkin card beginning 1st October 2021. The application called publicservices.culture allow young people between the age of 14 and 22 to apply the Punchkin card. The Republic of Mariel is a Russian federal subject located in the country's east along the northern bank of the Volga River and administratively part of the Volga Federal District. The capital of the region is Yoshkar-Ola. Mariel is an ethnic republic in the Russia that was founded for the indigenous Mari people, a Finnic tribe who have traditionally lived around the Volga and Kama rivers. Ethnic Russian, which is 47.4%, and Mari, 43.9%, make up the majority of the republic's population, with Tatars and Chuvash making up minorities. Russian and the Mari language are the official language in Mariel. Organizational chart of tourism bodies in Russian Federation was divided into 2 levels, which is federal level and regional level. The country's rich cultural legacy and natural diversity account for its prominent place among countries with great tourism growth potential. Main type of tourism in Russia. Sightseeing and culture are 2 terms that come to mind when discussing tourism. Other than that, the majority of Russia's natural regions feature difficult to reach archaeological monuments and culture, which tourists find fascinating. Agri-tourism, which the type of tourism that give those who have grown tired of living in cities renewed their energy via communication with nature and observation of it. Pilgrimage tourism is a type of tourism that takes place when people go pilgrim. Beach and health tourism are also 2 popular options. Despite its reputation as one of the world's coldest countries, Russia's geography includes places with moderate marine climates, semi-arid Mediterranean climates, humid subtropical climates, and temperate monsoon climates where summer vacation areas are organized. Apart from that, cruises along Russia's major rivers are available too. It is fascinating and varied tour that allow you to accurate a lot of impressions while also getting away from the city's noise and bustle. Lastly is tourism for business. Business travel, meeting industry, and MICE industry are 3 names used to describe the travel industry for business purpose. Tourism policies and programs. The Ministry of Economic Development and the Federal Agency of Tourism's principal mission are to promote domestic and international tourism. Their goal is to achieve this through fostering the creation and promotion of high-quality tourism products that are competitive in both domestic and international markets. Furthermore, the ministry and federal agency strive to increase tourism's social role by expanding the availability of tourist and recreation services for Russian Federation residents. Both authorities consider the environmental and social-cultural implication of tourism development as well as the need to ensure tourist safety. Apart from that, Russia is concentrating on strengthening the competitiveness of tourism product by raising brand awareness and appeal, improving the quality of tourist services, and making them more accessible to domestic and international visitors. The goal is to give travelers the best possible experience. Lastly, relate to Sheremetev Castle, the promise of employment is a beneficial result of existing the castle. Many laborers and construction workers were needed to assist in the renovation. Professional landscapers were required to permanently repair and maintain the palace grounds. Finally, personnel are needed in the area if a new hotel or accommodation is to be developed, as well as assist in the operation of daily special activities like festival and other large events. Promotion and marketing in Russia. This is a crucial phrase since it determines how communication about a specific tourism area are delivered to their potential travelers. Press release, poster, brochures, websites, and new goods like bumper sticker, marks, and postcard are among the most prevalent methods to venue advertising. Cruises in Russia are typically cheaper than cruises in Western Europe, where cruises are noted for their comfort, safety, and high-quality entertainment. Another cruise fact to remember is that rather than seniors and couple, more families are joining the ship. Volga River trip is a popular cruise destination because it is Europe's longest river, including Western Russia. It was and still is the main mode of transport between Northern and Southern Europe. Many well-known items are constantly promoted to cruise passengers both on and off the boat, including perfumes, fine wines, shot glasses, and jewelry, all of which are believed to represent Russian culture. Tourism opportunities in Russia. Tourists will continue to drawn to Russia's large city, which have a diverse range of attraction, particularly those with a significant architectural and historical origins. The city center will also serve as the country's principal entry point. Second, the European-like mystique of Western Russian cities will continue to pique tourist interest in these cities. Russia has thousands of rivers and inland waters, providing in width one of the largest sources of surface water in the world. The most prominent freshwater lake in Russia is Lake Baikal, the deepest and widest freshwater lake in the world. One of the efforts that can be done by the Malaysian tourism sector is to also pay attention to tourist destinations in remote areas. Like Sheremetev Castle itself, at the beginning of its construction, before it's developed as it is today, it was also in a remote location named Village of Urino. The government and tourism organization need to take initiative to open new tourist destinations, such as providing a location, funds for the construction and maintenance process for the development of the area. This is because most of the tourist attractions in this remote area are usually established by individuals, not by the organization. example, in my own area, a new attraction has emerged since 2020, named Perkampungan Adat Seri Banyan, founded by Dil Akbar Jaafar, located in Pendang, Kedah. This destination provides an opportunity for tourists to feel the environment of a traditional Malay village. The architecture and design found in this area is based on the old Malay villages. This action can also reduce tourism capacity in existing tourist areas. In addition, this action will also create more employment opportunities for the community, especially individuals with tourism-related education and also the local community in the area itself. This effort can also reduce the unemployment rate in Malaysia. All this will only happen if the government as well as tourism organization and the local community can work together to manage and success efficiently and proper manner. So, thank you for watching and see you when I see you.